You made changes to your listings. How do you know if they worked? The score history shows you the trend for every metric over time. A/B testing lets you run controlled experiments so you know which version is definitely better, not just anecdotally. Score history is a 6th tab in the listing optimizer. Enter your ASIN and you get a timeline of every analysis ListPilot has run for that product, broken down metric by metric: title, bullets, overall, keywords, and images. Every analysis adds a new row. The design is intentional. It only ever adds rows, never overwrites. You get a true audit trail. After you make a change in Seller Central, refresh your catalog. Does the score for that metric go up? If you rewrote your title and the title score jumps from 0 to 65, that's confirmation. If it doesn't move, the rewrite didn't address the root issue. These up and down arrows in the portfolio table are the ScoreTrendBadge, comparing your current score to your previous score for each metric. Green up arrow, improvement. Red down arrow, a change made things worse. Catch regressions fast before they cost you revenue. The A/B testing framework is your safety net for major changes. Before committing to a completely new title or full bullet rewrite, run a controlled test. Version A is your current live content. Version B is your proposed change. Set a duration and let it run. ListPilot tracks both versions against your listing metrics and tells you which one wins. When the test ends, you get a clear answer and confidence that the winner isn't just anecdotally better, it's immeasurably better. If you're optimizing a large catalog, you should always have several tests running in parallel. Track this number as a KPI. 5 to 10 active tests at any time means you're working the system product properly. Here's a complete workflow. Portfolio surfaces the problem. The portfolio optimizer prioritizes the critical ones. Score diagnostic tells you what's wrong in the listing optimizer. The actual listing optimizer fixes it. Content Studio upgrades the content assets. Score history confirms it worked. And A/B testing proves which version is definitively better. That's the ListPilot system.